So we have here an example, integral of 1 over x times square root of x dx. So whenever you see a radical expression or radical sign, kailangan mo yang express as exponential. So x, or square root of x, we can write that one as x raised to 1/2. So by the properties of exponent, we can rewrite that one as x 1 plus 1/2. So that will become x raised to 3/2. Okay, dx. And then we will put our x raised to 3/2 on the numerator. So magiging x raised to negative 3/2, okay, dx. Again, if you want to transfer your your function or yung x 3/2 natin from denominator to your numerator, the exponent will become negative. Okay, from positive, it will become negative. And therefore, we can now use our general power formula. It will become x negative 3/2 plus 1. Okay. Plus 1 over negative 3/2 plus 1. Don't forget the plus c. Now you use your, okay, our answer is x. That will become 1/2. May negative 1/2 over negative 1/2. Therefore, our final answer is 2 over square root of x plus c. By the way, don't forget the negative. Why it becomes negative 2? Of course, negative 1/2, yung ating denominator will get the reciprocal. It will become negative 2. And then, our negative exponent, dapat final answer natin walang nag-contain na negative exponent. So, we have to transfer it to our denominator. That's why it's become positive 1/2 or square root of x.